Alright folks, we're working on finishing up our exhaust setup here, and this is what I'm doing. We've got our 3-inch outside diameter pipe right here, and we've got our 2 3/4 inside diameter connector. So what we're going to do is I'm going to stuff this into the 3-inch outside. I'm going to cut it right here, smooth that out on the inside, and then when I go to the original tailpipe, when I go to stick it on, I should be able to slide it right inside, and then this side I'll clamp down all 3 pipes tightly. I'm hoping. We'll see how it works out. That's the plan. That's the plan. We'll tighten that down, and I'm going to leave enough of the 3-inch outside to be able to use the band clamp on the cutout T side of the exhaust. So that's the plan. We will see how it works out. Alright, we'll see how this goes. Use my dad's cowhide hammer here. What I didn't show was I took a file and a drill bit, stone tool to clean up the insides, both here and on the inside of this, outside of the 2 3/4. So hopefully it'll fit well. That might give us just enough to be able to cut right here with the recip saw, and then keep that side smooth as well. But I think I might tap it in just a smidge more. Alright, so when I get in this bevel too much here, then have to grind that. We'll see how this goes. Alright, here we go. Alright, so there's that. If we ever do that again, we should be able to reuse that portion. So there you go. And we'll clean this up, smooth it out. Should be able to slide our 2 3/4 pipe right in there. We're going to clean that up real good though. Make it easy to make this work. Alright, so now we just gotta clean up the inside here, I hope. Alright, now we'll see if the stock 2 3/4 fits. I think what I might do here, just so it'll make it crimp easier, is go ahead and cut a line on this the 2 3/4 adapter, just so I can squeeze it together. We'll give that a try. Yeah, it does. In theory, it sounds like it should work. I'll put the face mask with me. Middle in the eyes is no joke, folks. Alright, so we will try that and see how it does. May come and shoot us too, but we'll see how it works out. Alright, so that's what we're working on now.